Good afternoon. I am Christine Baroga Monforte, living here in Giling, Rosales, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am 31 years old and my birth date is on June 23, 1993. And my zodiac sign is Cancer. I am living here with my partner and we are blessed with two beautiful kids. They are both girls. They are 7 and 4 years old. I have worked as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I served a couple and their 2 children. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning their house, sending the children in school, doing the laundry, and also ironing and cooking. I cook basic dishes. I'm not really good at it, but I am willing to learn from you for whatever the food or dishes you want me to learn. I am also a fast learner. And my personality, of course, being a mother, I am a strong mother despite of the guts and trials we have experienced and the poverty. I can say that I am a strong woman and also I am hardworking woman. In fact, not only as a DH here in the Philippines, I also work and apply as a sales lady in some stores so that I can earn money to provide the needs of my kids and help my live-in partner. And I hope if you hire me, I will serve your family as my own family. I will take care of your children as my own children too. I would be very happy if you hire me, and I will do my best to do all the duties you want me to do in serving your family. Thank you. And I am looking forward for you to know you and learn more from you. Thank you.